Imagine a world where every machine, every process, and even entire cities have a living digital replica. A world where problems are predicted before they happen, and innovation happens faster than ever. This is the power of digital twins, and it's transforming industries today. Our course, Introduction to Digital Twins and Applications, is your gateway to understanding this cutting-edge technology. Learn how digital twins are applied in manufacturing, energy, healthcare, construction, and even smart cities. Discover the enabling technologies: Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, cloud, and 5G. Explore real-world case studies from companies like Siemens, Rolls-Royce, and Singapore's Smart City project. By the end, you'll not only understand digital twins, but also know how they can shape your career and future opportunities. Don't just watch the future happen, be part of it. Enroll today and start your journey into the world of digital twins.